In this short video, you will see an example of how to install knockouts for a typical kitchen faucet. Here we are drilling three 2 5/8 inch holes 4 inches on center, which will accommodate the spout and two handles. Once the holes are drilled, the knockouts are pushed through from the bottom of the cement board base. Because of the knockout's unique design, they will seal from the bottom and become perfectly flush with the top of the Z counterform. Once the concrete has cured, the knockouts can be removed, revealing pockets to accommodate your faucet. These knockouts are reusable.